Complaint from customer in the tourist industry is a field worth investigating, since the reputation of the establishment depends a lot on it. According to research in this area, the number of direct complaints of customers is low, 40%, but the opinion of unsatisfied client about all business is not always that low. Because of this, it's very important to listen carefully the guest opinion. Pay attention to positive and negative review, because the quality of all service is going to depend a great deal on that. Besides, we must tackle the problem and do our best to avoid repeat them in the future. To achieve this, and we have to make sure that customer suggestion and listen to with great empathy, so that measures are taken to improve the quality of our service. To be able to achieve this, all staff needs to be trained, and we need to do our best to meet the need of our client. In conclusion, proper training and a lot of empathy for clients should be all main goal.